Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today we are going to plant some chives and turmeric. And these were going to go in a landfill. And the grocery store that gives us a lot of produce, and was called spent produce, things that they throw away because there's one bad apple in a bag and that type of thing. These were in that. Now, I don't see anything wrong with these at all. I mean, they don't look that good for somebody to buy them and eat them, you know. I mean, nobody in a store is going to buy these because they look crappy, but I can replant these. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see, I don't know if the turmeric will sprout, but I'm going to try. Worst case scenario, it goes back to the soil and the worms can eat it. But I'm going to see if we can make treasure out of trash. All right? We're going to make some more produce out of trash right now. So everybody, I'm going to dig up these potatoes first, and then we're going to plant our turmeric and our chives in here. And so let's pull out these potatoes that have been here way too long. They should have been harvested a long time ago. I don't even know if they're sweet potatoes or if they're regular potatoes, but we'll see. Ooh, look!
Look at that. What is that?
I believe it's a sweet potato, but look how big it is. Wow. All right, let's see.
What else? Is that a carrot?
No,
like
they're all potatoes.
Oh,
Look at that, you guys. Sweet potatoes. Okay. They should have been harvested. Well, these didn't get too big, but that one got big, didn't it?
Yeah.
Probably didn't get enough water this summer. We just did an irrigation. Ooh, look, this one was very big.
Ooh,
and it rotted.
Oh, snap. Gross.
Look at that.
Mashed potato. Oh, that's so gross.
Oh, it smells like... Tell me what you think it smells like.
It smells like booze.
Yes,
like
it does. It smells like beer.
Vodka or...
Look, you guys.
Oh.
Look at that.
Steve, it's got a worm on it, too.
This
That's
one's
a good
still
soil.
good. This one's
that
still
one's
good.
still good, yeah.
Look
Dip
at
it in that water. Clean it.
I will later, but let's see. Well, you want me to do it for the
Yeah, for my
show?
OCD and for the show.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. This is rainwater, you guys. I'm saving for the plants. I really don't know what kind of potato this is. It's weird
It's Fatty
looking.
McDaniels.
Look at that.
It's a Fatty McDaniel potato.
Let's see this. You're really not supposed to
Wash them.
Wash
Don't.
them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, that one because it
because
had
they won't
gross.
store as long. But look, that's part of that rotten. It smells.
Ew.
It smells
Get it
just
out of
like
there.
beer, doesn't it?
It smells like
Alcohol.
alcohol, like gin or
Fermented.
Fermented.
It smells like when I do the vinegar, the fermented vinegar. It smells kind of nice. I'm so curious. So anyway, that's going to go back into the worms. I'm going to put this in the very bottom. That will be food for the worms. And get some good worm casting fertilizer in the pot.
Great.
And that's what you can do too. Ooh, I'm getting my... Let's see if I can get this.
Yeah, let me,
All right.
let me pull them.
Yeah, pull my sleeves up for me. Thank you, honey.
Let me pull the
He's
sleeves
my
up.
videographer and my sleeve puller.
I'm like wardrobe and
Yeah, wardrobe.
video. Get that
I'm not
stick.
going to let you do my makeup, though, babe. You ought to see how he tries to do my nail polish. That ain't no good. I'm just loosening up the soil now because there's not any more potatoes in here. But I should have harvested those about 3 months ago. And if it hadn't rained like this for days and days and days, that wouldn't have rotted. They would have been pretty preserved in the dirt. All right, so here we go. Now, this pot is, I mean, you guys, if you could just feel the soil, it's still really, you can tell it's still really healthy.
I wonder if any of these is a 4-leaf clover. Did I ever tell you I found 2 4-leaf clovers on Hollywood Boulevard?
Really?
In front of the Egyptian Theater.
Wow.
Waiting to see a movie.
You're kidding.
No, I swear.
Wow. And now you're a fancy Hollywood writer.
No, I'm a fancy Hollywood
Okay,
writer.
here we go. Now, I'm thinking what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put the turmeric in the middle, and then around the edges, I'm just going to put all these chives.
All them chives.
What do you think, you guys?
Yes, Mama.
Why not, right?
Yes, ma'am. Look at that.
That's so easy. All you got to do is just boom, like that.
And this would have all gone in the
So
trash.
whenever we want chives for our soup, we just can come and trim it.
Oh yeah, I just made yummy egg tacos with chives from here.
Yeah. And so, and then let's see. And then we'll just bring you back once these start growing. I think these might be already too far gone. But we'll see. Even if I can get one to sprout. You know?
Yeah.
Even if I can just get one of these turmerics to sprout. We'll see. And like I said, whatever the worms don't eat, whatever it doesn't sprout, the worms will eat.
Yeah.
Can you roll my sleeve up again for me?
This is how you do it. Look, I'm a pro at planting onions.
Okay.
I'm doing this since
this
the
one right
old
here,
country.
I think I'm gonna just give it to you chickens because the thing was off.
pulled it out.
See, they still have the root on them. Why not?
Rooty tooty.
And I have let that sit out there for 2 weeks now, you guys. And
Rooty tooties.
because I didn't have time to do this. And so they didn't die. I left them outside in the rain and everything, and they didn't die. So that just goes to show you how resilient these plants can be.
Yeah.
They're like, we know she's going to plant us next week. So
Yeah, exactly.
we're
Hey,
gonna-
these things have consciousness. I was watching that experiment. Remember about the plants?
Mm-hmm.
The thing would just the subject would just think about hurting the plant, and the plant knew it would react
they put
in
like
a
a
sensor.
on it, right?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
put like a
Well, they put the human, but they put the
seismograph
human saliva cells
on the
on
plant.
the plant, and the plant could feel what the human was feeling.
Yeah. So if yeah, so crazy.
Where was that experiment? Do you
It
know?
was on Sean Ryan podcast. Shout out to Sean Ryan podcast. Okay, there.
So we're good. I'm going to pack them in here. I mean, this is an experiment, so let's just say 50% of them live. Well, it's okay. And if 100% live, then we'll just have them packed in here
Yeah.
like sardines. It's not, the bulbs are not going to get, I don't think, bigger.
No, the bulbs don't get bigger.
They might not. I don't know. I think these are, we'll see. See, this hurts my back. I need to be sitting down in my little chair that I have that's for old people when you take a shower, that shower chair that I have. Y'all probably seen me using it when I'm doing potatoes in the garden. We're almost done. Damn, man, this hurts my back.
Yeah, here, I'll do it.
Almost done. I hope those, I really, really hope that those turmeric take, because
They don't.
I'd love to have that. This one doesn't have.
Come on, turmeric.
Yeah. And I want to plant some ginger this year too. Okay. I think that one doesn't have root, did it?
Rudy
it did?
Tooty.
All right, here we go.
Rudy Tooty.
That's it. So, let's see.
All right.
Now, hopefully the turmeric will grow right in here.
And that grows there.
And that'll grow around it. And let's see what happens. We'll show you guys in a few months the results, okay? Everyone, let's check. I'm gonna see the turmeric. I'm ready to harvest it. That's the one that I planted from the grocery store. I'll take it in the kitchen and we'll go back and video the rest. Or here, hold on. There's more, I think. Look. I might leave some in here for next year to grow. I'll leave some pieces, I think. Oh, look, the garlic. Should I just pull it?
Yeah, just pull it. Wow, look. Hi, garlic.
Or should I put it back in? We don't have 4. It's not really ready.
Okay, yeah, just put it back in. Yeah, boy.
I hope I don't kill it. You know, we're experimenting. What's this one too? Look at this one.
Yeah, that was little.
It's not really ready either. I'm gonna put this back.
If it dies, we'll just come get it.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
we'll
just
just
gonna
come get
dry
it.
out a little.
And so now I know that I can keep planting that turmeric from the grocery store and it'll still survive. Let's take this water real quick and wash it and let's show them. See how pretty it is.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Where's the other one go?
Somewhere around there.
Well, maybe I should just leave it.
Yeah, I just leave it.
I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. Maybe I should just plant this one back. I think that's what I'm going to do.
No alien man.
I'm going to plant this back.
Okay.
Look. Let's put it back in for next year. And then all we got left here is this bell pepper.
No bell pepper. Bell pepper over here almost died, but look, we got one. We got one last one here. Should we just grab it?
No, we'll leave it till it's red.
Okay.
And
This little one.
all right.
Okay. Thank you.
You guys, this is the chives that we planted. The other turmeric came up, but not the one in this pot. So, and I don't see any signs of it, but I wanted to show you that these did grow. I feed them to the chickens. I just pull them off and slice them up and feed them to the chickens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant something else this summer here. Hear them? They're like, give me some. I'm going to plant something in the center here. But I just wanted to give you an update on that. That yes, these things from the grocery store that were going to be thrown away, I was able to make some treasure out of trash. And I feed these to the chickens. So this did get some aphids all over it this year, but I sprayed them real good and got that off. I usually just take all the dead stuff and throw it back down in the dirt to make fertilizer. Naturally, it's called chop and drop method. And so anyway, if you guys got anything out of this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope that you would subscribe. And we have got a lot of stuff on our playlist. Let me show you a quick sneak peek of the chickens. So we got a playlist for the chickens. There's Buster. And so anyway, we would love it if you guys would check out our playlist. We got baby chicks going over here. That's our rooster here. And the rest of them are in the coop brooding. So anyway, check out all our playlists. There's all kinds of stuff. We're going to be doing some more gardening and more stuff on the chicken coop. We got some videos about aloe vera here and just about everything. Even videos with pranking Boris.
Hi.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon on the next video.